Now suppose that you have a mobile application on your mobile phone in which you want to inspect for malicious activities. As we said earlier, we need the APK version of that. So open your mobile, go to the Play Store, and navigate to APK Extractor. You can either download this application here, or you can try another application called ES File Explorer. It will serve the same purpose, but for the sake of this course, I will download an application called AirDroid. AirDroid is a very cool application. Just download it, install it, set it up on your mobile phone, and open web.airdroid.com, as you can see here on the screen, and connect the two devices. You need to sign on with the Google Mail address that you've set up your Android phone with. So once you do the setup, you need to open the application on your mobile phone, and here you'll be able to see lots of options: files, record screen, etc. One of the options is mirroring. I'm using this option here for the sake of this video. So once you connect your mobile application to the web, you can easily press on this link here, apps, which will list all the apps available on your mobile phone. You can easily click on any application that you want to download or inspect. You can easily download any application here by clicking on the checkbox and then pressing on this icon here that says download. So once you do that, the application will be converted to APK and will be downloaded on your machine. And here you go, the xrecorder.apk.